maquiladora in Mexico has been a key industry in the development of various areas of the country. Throughout its history, maquiladoras in Mexico has been the industry known to evolve and to focus on the safeguarding of its most valuable resources, its personnel. As a shelter provider, the well-being of personnel is an essential element of the development of the industry. The maquiladora is well known for taking care of its own human resources. Although the industry takes care of its employees, throughout the years, unionization in the industry has been a standard in the country. From white unions to more active unions in most cities, the industry has worked with unions to assure the employees' rights and benefits, which in most cases are above the law requirements. Unions in Mexico are an issue to keep in mind during an expansion. Not an issue to be afraid of though, but in the situation to manage through advisors' experience in the subject matter. A good source of such is a shelter provider. A shelter provider has a vast experience in dealing with unions throughout the years, and the experience to set up or start a relationship with a union the correct way, preventing as many union and labor issues as possible. As mentioned before, white unions were very common in Mexico in the past. However, as time passes and unions become more active, somehow evolving, so does Mexican labor law. Effective 2022, Mexican labor law reforms becomes effective with a series of requirements involving unions in Mexico. The most important or impactful is the validation of the current union agreements for all unionized companies in Mexico. In addition, as you might be aware, USMCA has labor provisions that companies taking advantage of the agreement must comply with. However, it has been stated by various experts, and upon compliance with Mexican labor law, USMCA provisions would be aligned. This is a major change because the first time the employees will have the voice on confirming as a group that they want to have the union that the company has, or if they want to change to a different union or have no union at all. Having this in mind, the democratization of unions will serve the employees as a tool to appraise the value of having a union or not. Shelters, as the major employers in the manufacturing industry in Mexico, see these changes as positive. As our company and clients put personnel above all, and we consider that we are taking better care of the employees than unions themselves. We see that this is the workforce stability. From our experience in Collectron, the average turnover for our employees is 3%. This is due to the work at the production floor on a one-to-one basis with the direct personnel. Many companies might attribute this to increasing wages or such, but year to year, it has been proven through the stable wages in the industry that workforce stability goes beyond a monetary factor. In summary, the advice of the shelters providers in Mexico with more than 54 years of experience in the industry is not to hesitate to test the waters in Mexico. A shelter company can be helpful to establish any foreign operation within weeks without all the red tape involved, making sure from the beginning of any potential legal issues and are safeguarded with the experience of the shelter. And assuming foreign manufacturers a soft landing for the success of their operations in Mexico.